hey. Hey, Mama. Gods of our land. What another beautiful day. Be active. Why so slow? Hey! Do you know, my daughter? Today is the day the gods will come and visit you. You have to be active and be ready for him. Just be clean.
I know, my priestess, but
what? What, my daughter?
But I'm not ready for this, my priestess.
What troubles you?
I never had an encounter with any man all my life.
This is not a man. It's a supernatural God. You should be honored to have him in your presence. Just be ready for him, my daughter.
My children, I'm so happy today.
This is the supernatural God I've been telling you about.
No. Don't kneel down. Because you are the eyes of the cross. Stand up. You are so beautiful. Wow. Walk away. So when you know what Just
be obedient to him as you
are. You are so beautiful. My children, yes. I really appreciate this. Thank you. Say and never man and none will use you. You make the gods remove water today.
Go, my daughter. Go.
If you are men share them before I sign the bill, them. Men share them. Should I stretch a piano? My children,
yes.
I'll be right back.
Enjoy.
Oh, go. Now, baby. Get inside. Hey, my children.
Yes, my lord.
You go hear the sound.
Okay.
Of your ghost. You'll be like, ah. That's the sound of your ghost.
All right. Mama, hey. Hey, Mama.
Obey my them. I tell you, obey my them. Ah, what's what you're doing?
What is it, my God?
Also, member was it, David? Just hold my member. You are saying no. Huh? Huh?
My priestess. What is it, my daughter? I can't.
Get inside. My children.
Yes, my God.
I'll be right back.
All right. Salema. Salema. What is it, my God?
My father was a woman I want to say. I have to force it. Did you do me for so long? Did they be? Don't mention everybody's name. Okay?
Okay.
Thank you.
Salema Tamele. Salema. Salema. Salema.
Keep quiet.
Salima.
Yes.
Ma. I came to see you.
What is wrong with you? Then you are coming here and shout, Ma. What is the problem? What is the matter?
Ma, I can't do this anymore. Like, I can't do this anymore. I can't do this anymore.
What is the issue?
How can your daughter hand me over to an spirit? Spirits I don't know from anywhere. To come and sleep with me. I can't.
Come here. You are coming to talk to your mommy. Then you are shouting and blacking.
I'm not shouting, ma.
What is wrong with you? Mommy. Come on, sleep. Small sleep. The elders or spirits come and sleep with you. You are shouting.
Ma, is that what you are saying?
Yes. What's your point? I can balance one.
So me, I'm not
sure. It's your DC. It's your servants. Who and no sanity, ma who bring back a camp on everybody in the world and the body called return. I see you. So when you want,
no, I didn't even sleep with a woman being. How will I be sleeping with a spirit? For the 17 years of my life, I never had any man to sex with me. How will I go and sleep with a spirit? A spirit, man. A spirit.
Hey, mommy, relax. Open your leg. The spirit to fire you and not pay you and you make my name for sepala. Now what Jimmy? Naka also no naka also be spirit. Hey, wait, any issue? Bad news. It's the good news. When the spirits come,
the spirit sleeping with me is the good news.
It's the good news.
Okay, so can you sleep with the spirit?
Ask me no matter that papa. Who no me catch now? Who the spirit no matter that? Yes, man, so say no. Relax. When the spirits come, open your leg left and right. The spirit will power you. He power you. It's a nice papa.
That's what you are telling me.
Yes. So go. I will come to talk the spirits. So leave you.
Tell the spirit or else this work I can't do it anymore. If you didn't tell the spirit or tell your so-called daughter I'm out, I can't do the work anymore. Is it by force to worship some god?
That's what about them. When you're spitting one, when you're spitting for how Endless of God, I thank you. You choose another person, it's not my daughter. Hey! It's been this to where would the upper first guy. Suspect like us one way a Babylon people. Bet. Person you didn't come be.
About what?
About your
my assistant.
Your assistant. Who said no pressure and the baby. Because now so yeah they want another many. And on them I here I know pray. But I say no I mean here. And I'm so man and I know every year panyas and ketwa. The person so he is a human being. He can go out to tell people what Nanonum has done.
So what do you want me to do for you?
I want you to tell her that you should keep quiet. Everything that happened the day you should stay for the head only.
My lord, you know that to keep someone quiet you have to do something for the person. I hope you know that.
Yeah, I know that. Remember I bet off for compensation.
My lord, are you serious?
I bet off like
you're going to give her toffee for the pain you caused her.
Chupa chups or you won't collect.
My lord, I think that is too small.
So now, what do you think it can help?
My lord, you are the God here. You are in a better position to tell me.
But pony home Caribbean. Said the baby be any.
Okay.
I'm also who yes and also who yes. Name of Nidian Bayaketua. Send you wings out dear son. To compensate her so that you won't go and tell people about Nananom for chopping her. Okay?
That is very good, my lord. That's good.
Are you okay?
Yes, my lord.
Are you feeling good?
Yes, my lord.
Are you enjoying Nananom?
Yes.
No, mommy, do was him. But come on, mommy, say you are from abroad, so you can't come. Now, who can come? Now you see how Akua has fattered you. Akua fattered. I won't take more of your time.
Okay, my lord.
I'll be going to somewhere.
All right.
Tonight, I'll go to UK.
Hey, my lord.
Yeah, a spiritual meeting.
Okay.
So, me call my passport to me, them are ready.
My lord, passport.
Yeah. So, I will take my leave.
Okay, my lord.
Bye.
Bye.
Nana.
Yes, ma'am.
Me banam. Asma we buku sawi kan to crutch me. Me wo hono ma na o tia me bai wo di su. Me kwam drop your phone na. Oba no baka che me say eye komfu pani. Do to te won. Abba se wo pese won ne da. O server sen. O service sen. O money enjoyment. Inti no me busa eye den na otimi nya asa kuduro no. E ka cha bufra.
Mom, you know that I can't do anything without the God's permission. I was just there one day and the gods of our land visited me, telling me that he's interested in my assistant. He has eyes for her, so he wants to be with her. I had no option but to make her understand.
But they have the suman. They go die to the suman, and suman for Kodai. Suman for one tells no more than now flower. Me the make catch on say, you won't film. Men pesa be about 2 years, me baba ko pebin count, say me to me trouble. The other meeting I will be. Men pesa a some battle, a power so. Miss the one did you. Sa some way you want no film. You are not a film. And found room, maybe have a follow.
Yeah. Oh, if you friend me, boy. Oh, if you friend say we are saying a trade jam.
Maybe stop a banner.
Yan trade jam.
And then trade jam.
A semi will be say the tea and the night way. Same pumps and no as upon us and another use ya. Essentially, a trouble. Yan trade jam, boy.
And trade jam.
Also, be do be as much as Yaman and Yabo pain.
Mr. Pacho, my baby puts a common minute, now was some color.
You're working in amity. Call for us to be so, but not seeming in amity. Yes, how? Send a normal use you and I cannot want it. And I know more yet, but I don't want it, me boy. Sorry. Get up! Let me tell you this. This should be your first and last one.
Oh, okay.
So we'll be seeing an anomaly. I will put it in an anomaly.
Thank you. It's necessary.
Hey! Why? We betray them, what?
That's also me call.
And I don't know because I won't cheer for another also. Let me tell you this. Your children is serving the town. You are not serving the town, but your children is serving the town. So if you hear something, keep it for yourself.
Thank you.
Don't come and explain to your children.
Thank you.
Okay?
Thank you.
You don't want to jail, son.
No, but you
come on, leave. Oh, my baby, there's so many in the Yabo. I've been telling you this.
My lord, favor him.
Favor for what?
Say if say nanoma use ya, wait till you stay back for nanoma, go ask.
My lord, I beg of you, favor her.
So which name?
My
You
lord,
explain.
it's my mother. I have to explain to her.
This should be your first and last one. Don't explain this to everybody before, okay?
My lord, I won't.
Where is she?
My lord, who?
Nanoma.
My assistant.
Yeah, the girl's wife.
My lord, she's there.
She's inside the room.
Yes, my lord.
Or said them one and I'm to get and I'm be use you so. You are going to remove water.
Okay, my lord.
This will be your first and last one. Explaining the ghost to your mother. Okay?
Okay, my lord. It's a brand new day. Yes, the gods of our land, we come to you once again.
Yes, Nana.
Speak to us and give me more wisdom to do your work. Nananum. Ow. Mami Ejuma.
Nana.
The gods are wise.
Yes.
The gods of our land.
Bless
It's
us.
a new day. Grant me more power to do your work.
Yes. Can you see how the sky blinks?
More wisdom, our gods, I asked this morning. More wisdom. More power. Powers are among powers. Wisdom, my gods, I ask of.
Yes.
Grant me wisdom. Grant
us
me
wisdom.
power. Make me do your will, which I'm here for. Don't put me to shame. No. Don't.
They won't.
No. Hi. Hey. Stop a call.
Hey, Nana, Nade.
Stop a call. For Jimmy Bejina. Bejina. Found some mommy.
Onchia, me boy. That is say.
Nana, madam.
Ah, who me? I will come and say that. Me go go.
Never be a.
So what ye?
That's fine.
You be a boko there.
Boko.
akura da ni yama senana bia nso ni awon wasem